Here is a different part of my garden. This is the side wall of the house, and there we have the shed and stairs going down to the shed, which my husband and my brother-in-law Roger created, and brought up lots and lots of rock from our place to create this garden, which is a memorial garden to my late husband Jim, who died at age 40. So this is really a lovely little garden. Oh, look, isn't that gorgeous? Oh, I love this. And there's my husband banging away. That's Michael banging away doing his job down there. Here we have some pentas, beautiful, striking red on these rocks that Michael laid. A lone periwinkle flower and rosemary. Smells gorgeous. He's a busy boy, isn't he? And look, walking stick begonia growing here. It's fabulous. And I planted lots of hibiscus because I didn't want any trees here. And I'll swing around and show you the other one that I put in place. It's lovely. Look at that blue sky. Love it. Haven't seen blue sky for a while. Oh, he's noisy, isn't he? Oh dear, look at all these bromeliads. I'm going to have to thin those out, I think. And there we have fern, maidenhair fern. It just springs up naturally. Another hibiscus. And a Sydney rock orchid that I didn't plant. It just attached itself to the rock. That huge rock. With some pretty little begonia and another hibiscus, and coming along here I have a rose that my friend Tony gave to me and some abutilons and a jumbo jade in flower. Look at that, isn't it lovely? And we've got more bromeliads. Aren't they gorgeous? Look at that. Look at the sun on it, beautiful. And then across here we have this great big jacaranda tree that the previous people who built the house planted too close to the house, with my walking stick begonia. Look at that up there, look. Can you see it? Let's see if I can. There we go, look at that. Beautiful. It's quite windy out here today. That begonia is just lovely, isn't it? And I planted a lily pillow. On the ticket it said 1.5 metres. Well, that's not 1.5 metres, is it? But this is a lovely little walkway now. Look, oh, it's beautiful. The begonia flowers are just so pretty. And that's the entrance to our house.